I'm finally done with my Kelly inspired bag from Babylon Leather. This is the Kelly style leather bag DIY kit in the color medium brown. It's silver hardware and the lychee leather pattern, which is just this pebble leather texture that's in a matte leather. I'm going to do a quick review of my experience. Now, this is the first bag that I've made that's come out really professional looking, and it's given me a lot of confidence in my leather making. Now, I would consider myself a beginner, but not a novice. I've been leather crafting for about 1 year, and previous to getting this leather kit sent to me, I would pick out the hide, cut out my own leather pieces, punch the holes, and use my own thread to make the pieces. This leather kit does make it really easy because I'm going to insert some clips here as to how the leather pieces come to you, which is fully already cut, finished on the edge here, and pre-punched. So all you have to do is sew the bag together, assemble the hardware, and otherwise put the bag together. That sounds easy, but I can't say that I didn't want to cry through parts of this because it was challenging, but in a good way. Some parts of the bag, like when I was sewing this area here, that was really challenging. It just took a lot of patience. I had to use a lot of the skills I already had to get it to lay really flush and properly so that this looks, better than my first couple of tries. The other part of the bag that was really challenging to me was attaching this strap to the top of the bag. Now, it looks okay from far away, but you can see here where I just couldn't get it to sit like really flush against the leather. I did my best, but then I had a really hard time lining up the holes and getting the needle through the pre-punched holes. Now, that is a skills issue. I wouldn't say it was necessarily anything wrong with the actual construction. I just had a hard time with it because this was my first time doing something like this and attaching like a handle like this to the bag. So it took me a really long time. Like, I think this itself took me like an hour to do. Description of the leather kit says that it'll take you about 8 to 10 hours to put together. Actually took me, I would say, double that. So about 15 to 20 hours to put together. It does help to have some background in construction to adapt the tutorial to fit how you prefer to make your projects. Kind of had to do some of these things out of order because I just didn't want to do all of that stitching in one sitting. So I kind of split that up. Just remember that, those are guidelines. You are definitely able to adapt the tutorial to fit what you want to do in one session of you working on the bag. As for the bag itself, as you can see, it's fully functional. It has this fully functional type strap that attaches to the back here. You can close the bag like this and twist this. You can wear it in a number of different ways. Now, this is the medium size, so I feel like it'll fit most of your essentials like your phone, maybe a small iPad, wallet. I mean, no problems as to kind of day-to-day things, but this isn't a work bag. Now, they have a larger version of this that might fit your laptop, but again, check the dimensions on that. This is what the bag looks like, worn crossbody. This functional lock and key. So this locks and then this goes in and opens it, and that goes right here. As far as the bag itself, I think it's really cute. Obviously, it is not going to have any of the branding on here. It's a completely unbranded bag. It sits like this. And now I'm 5'2". Strap is adjustable, so you're able to make it shorter if you want. But just remember that this is on the longest sitting, and it's sitting at my hip. If you are taller, this strap might not be long enough. But the color is very neutral, so it'll go with all of your outfits. I'm really, really pleased with how it's come out in general. Would I suggest gifting this to someone who's a crafter? And I would say absolutely yes. Go to part 1, I'll give you tips on what I did to adapt this project to my lifestyle. There's some helpful tips on how to do sewing, maybe some tutorials to watch before you begin sewing if you've never done leather crafting before. Some cons. I will say that the leather grade is top grain, but I don't like that the leather has not been dyed all the way through. So there is a coating on top for this color. So I'm just worried that with use that this top coating may wear off. Now, I don't know, I haven't used this bag, I just finished it, but that is a concern for bags that have a coating that aren't dyed all the way through. Probably not going to be like an everyday bag, but something, a novelty item that you can carry around whenever, you want to. As far as the other sewing materials that came in the kit, I was really pleased with everything that was included. The only thing I would recommend is to buy a stitching horse. I'll put a picture of what it looks like here. But in terms of the other materials, they included just enhancements like these little finger grippers. So you'd put this on your fingers and it just helps pull the needle through in really difficult areas like this area right here. A cute pair of scissors. The needles used to make leather products like leather goods are different than your typical sewing needle. They're a little bit more blunt and they're thicker. So you can't use a regular sewing needle when you're making leather items like this. So you do need special needles, which they give you plenty of. And I did have one break, but it was during the handle sewing on process. It was just very difficult for me to get the needle through. A little screwdriver to attach on the hardware, binder clips to help stabilize the project as you're going through. Now they give you some options. This little stitch marker that kind of holds things in certain places. So depending on what part of the bag you're working on, you're able to use different sewing accompaniments to help you. Overall, I highly, highly recommend that if you're interested in doing leather crafting, pick up a bag kit like this. Everything's included. The instructions are pretty easy to follow. It's not difficult, but it still gives you a challenge, which I appreciate. You don't want things to be too easy and feel like you wasted your time. So this does give you a challenge, and I really, really enjoyed putting this together. Although, to be fair, it did make me want to throw the bag across the room a few times.